How to use curbside pickup for Kohl's order. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are providing you with a tutorial in order to do so for your Kohl's order. So let's just get started with the video without any delay and make sure to watch this till the end. So we can head over and go to our website of Kohl's and we can shop. So for that, we can look out for a specific product that we would like to purchase, for example, this towel right here. And once we are headed over to the product piece, we can just go over and look out for the option called Free Store Pickup at Checkout. So go ahead and find the option of Free Store Pickup, this one right here, and click on Change Store. After that, you can just go over and enter up your zip or a city or state code. After that, you can just go over and place your order. Select up your preferred store. For example, this store, you can click on select and there we go. Then click on this option and we can add it to cart. Click on this option called add to cart and confirm the order. And Curbside only works with store pickup orders, so we can view the cart and check out, and you will be getting an email or app notification which will say ready for pickup. And do not go before this message appears. After that, all you gotta do is once the order is done, head over to the store, drive over there, and you can look out for curbside pickup parking spots. And you'll be having two ways. One is Kohl's application or calling the store. You can use any of the method, and the store associate brings your order in your car. And usually it will be ready in just few hours. So you can just go over and pick up the order that you're trying to pick and keep your phone handy for check-in. And that's it. So yeah, everybody, we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.